In this video I will show to start a discussion on SEOClerk Community Platform. So here you can go and type SEOClerk.com, then you need to log in into your account. After that, click here community. Then you can start the discussion from here. Here you can add the subject title, for example local SEO services. After that you can add the category, then add the tags. So let me select the SEO category. Then after that let me add the tag local SEO. After that here we need to add the description. Just you can use Gemini to generate the description. Generate description for SEOClerk community discussion. So within couple of seconds you will get all of the content from here. This one is the title, and then you can copy the discussion. After that add it here, then scroll down, click here submit button. So that's done.